Hi guys, welcome back to 11 Plus Smarties. Today we'll be doing nonverbal reasoning. So let's start off with the example. It says, work out the code for the figures 1, 2 and 3 and then decide which box, A, B, C or D, has the correct code for figure 4. So this is code breaking. So here is a triangle and a circle and another circle and then another triangle. So what do they have in common? Well, two Q's. These two are both circles. Two R's. These are both grey. So since inside these they are both bubbly, this also must be M at the bottom. And this must be Z because they are triangles. So ZM, which is A. Let's read the explanation. The correct answer is A. The two characteristics of figure 1 are that it is a triangle and it is grey. So we know R must equal grey as it is common to both figure 1 and figure 2. If R is grey, Z must be characteristic of figure 4, bubbled shading. So we need the code for a triangle Z and the code for bubbled shading M. A simple way to express this is as follows. Triangles equals Z, circle equals Q, grey equals R, bubbled equals M. All the helpful comments will use this system to explain the answer. What do these have in common? Well, Q and Q. The only thing they both have is that the arrow is pointing vertically, so it is standing upright. So this must be what Q means. So K must mean horizontal. What do these have in common? S and S. The circles are both grey. So K must mean horizontal, sorry. So this must be K, and T must be black. So this will be KT, which is C. Let's see. Correct. The explanation shows vertical arrow is Q, group of 4 black dots equals T, horizontal arrow equals K, group of 4 grey dots equals S. So we're looking for a horizontal arrow with 4 black dots. Only C works, KT. Question 2. O must stand for the arrow pointing up. V must stand for grey. And M must stand for an arrow pointing to the left. W must stand for lines inside the triangle. So what features does this have? Well, it is pointing left, so it must start with M, and it is also lined, which is W. So the answer is MW. Let's check if we're correct. D. Correct. Grey equals V, shared by 1 and 2. Up pointing arrow equals O, shared by 1 and 3. Left pointing arrow equals M, only found in 2. Vertical stripes equals W, only found in 3. So we are looking for MW, only box D works. Question 3. In this question, stands for heart, E stands for smiley face, J stands for grey, and P stands for bricks. What features does this have? Well, it is a smiley face, E, and it is bricked, P, EP. C only works. Correct. Grey equals J, shared by 1 and 2. Face equals E, so we need box B or C. Heart equals F. Brick shading equals P, so only C works. Question 4. Right. Well, H and H. This represents black line. So F equals dotted line, G equals pentagon, and J equals circle. This is dotted, F, and is a circle, J. So FJ, C. Correct. Dotted lines equals F, only found in 1. Solid lines equals H, found in 2 and 3. Pentagon equals G, shared by 1 and 3. Circle equals J, not found in 1 or 3. So we are looking for dotted lines, F with a circle, J, making C the only possible answer. Question 5. Now, M means grey, R means blank, N means inside it has a kite and a cross, and P means triangle. So this is blank, which is R, and it is a triangle, so that would be P. R, P, B. C? Correct. Grey circle equals M, shared by 1 and 3. Kite shape equals N, shared by 1 and 2. Triangle equals P, only found in 3. Rectangle equals R, only found in 2. So we are looking for RP, which makes B the only possible answer. Question 6. T must mean circles, so T equals circle. U equals 3, the amount of shapes equals 3, so that's what U means. And W means 4. X means triangle. So let's see. This is a triangle, so that must be X. And the amount of shapes is 4, so that must be W. See? X, W, B. Correct. Circles equals T, shared by 1 and 2. Group of 3 equals U, shared by 1 and 3. Group of 4 equals W, only found in 2. Triangles equals X, only found in 3. So we are looking for a group of 4 triangles, X, W. Question 7. Well, the first letters are all different because they are all pointing different ways. However, 1 and 4 are pointing the same way, so U must be the first letter. Now, S and S mean wavy lines inside, and Q must mean sort of crossed figures. So this is crossed, so it must be UQ. Let's see. UQC. Correct. This is tricky because figure 3 has 2 new terms. Pay close attention to the order of the letters. The shape letter comes first, then the shading letter. Scales shading equals S, shared by 1 and 2. Arrow pointing up equals U, found only in 1. Arrow pointing to the left equals P, found only in 2. Arrow pointing down equals T. Remember the shape letter is first. Diamond shading equals Q, so we need to look for U and Q. Only box C works. Question 8. F equals a sort of pointed brackets. So this is what they share. H must mean curved brackets. M means striped lines inside the trophy. And J means blank trophy. So this is blank, so J must be the last letter, and the first letter must be H, because the brackets are curved, not pointed. So let's see. HJ is A. Correct. Curly brackets equals F. Straight brackets equals H. Striped cup shape equals M. White cup shape equals J. So we are looking for straight brackets with a white cup, HJ, and only box A works. Question 9. In this we have arrows. One is laid on top of each other. Here in this question we have numbers, not shapes. So 9 and 9. What do these share? Well, they are arrows crossed over. And 8. 8 must mean a cylinder shape. So 8 must be the first number because this is a cylinder shape. So 7, these two both share 7. That is because they are black and have a grey outline. So, and 6 is grey with a black outline. So this is grey with a black outline, so this must be 8, 6, which is C. Let's figure out if we're correct. Correct. A cross shape equals N, shared by 9. Sorry, I'm thinking about letters. Shared by 1 and 2. Black with grey lines equals 7, shared by 1 and 3. Grey with black lines equals 6, only found in 2. A cylinder equals 8, only found in 3. So, a grey cylinder with black lines has to be 8, 6, found in answer C. The last question, question 10. So far we have done very well. In this question we have got different shapes. So Z, what do these have in common? Well, they are both stars. So, Z and Z. So, this starts with L, and sort of L figure, let's call it that. But, if you can see, number 2 has an L shape only on the right. So this time, since it is on the left, it must be the first letter. So V represents on the second figure, section, sort of. L represents V. So V must be the first letter of the fourth figure. And as you can see, it has a triangle pointing out of it, which is also in the third figure, so that means y. So VY. Let's see. B. Correct. A white triangle equals Y, shared by 1 and 3. A striped star equals Z, shared by 1 and 2. A striped circle equals X, found only in 3. A white L shape equals V, found only in 2. So we are looking for V and Y, found only in box B. Thanks for listening. I hope you enjoyed today, and we've got 10 out of 10. Congratulations if you've scored all of them right.